Today's lesson, how to draw cartoon poses. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to my series on teaching you how to draw cartoons. Today's lesson, we're going to be sketching out two different poses. All right, so let's begin with the lesson. So first thing I'm going to be doing right now is creating the head and the body. As you can see, these are rough sketches. They're not accurate or anyways, just to get the point across. All right, so I have the head, the body. I have one leg in there, and now I'm putting a secondary leg in there. As you notice, the first leg I did, the far left one, is a little bit lower than the right one. Kind of give that rotation of the hip and the body. Next thing I'm working on right now is the arm behind the back. As you can see, I'm not in front, so it's kind of swinging in the back. Placing the neck. Next thing, I'm going to have the hand straight out. So as you can see here from the action lines from the head, body to the legs right there. And it's like stop. Now, the key thing is getting his face in the right position. So imagine if this was the nose right here. So he's like turned away, like stop. Don't come any further. So this is just a nice little pose to play with, and you can create any character, an animal, from a human or a robot, anything you'd like. All right, so stay tuned because I have another one following this one right now. Now this one is going to be a little silly one. This one's going to be a little character laughing on his back. And I'm going to be creating the head, the torso right now, in two elements, right where your gut is, so you can see where the belly is actually bending. All right, there you go. Next thing I'm going to be working on is the leg in the air. Let's get that little hang in it, like he's laughing really, really, really hard. All right, there we go with the leg. Looking good. Now this case, the leg, you're going to see the foot underneath then. So I'm going to shade that in later. But let me just share with the whole torso right there. That's the area. Now the secondary leg is in the back right there. I'm going to let's rough that out right there. Same thing. You're going to see a little underneath that foot as well to give that like kicking and laughing feel to it. All right. So here's the action line right there. Strong action of the finger pointing straight out at the person, like it's like, you can't believe I just did this or I saw this. So this whole the key thing with this is the power of the action in this case. All right, so let's get the hand on his stomach like he's laughing really, really hard. There we go. Get all the way to the shoulder, and this shoulder is like hitting his head, so it's like really laughing loudly, going up and down if you were animating this character. All right, let's get this a little bit darker here, a little bit, define some more areas. Okay, again, this is just a rough sketch. Now his face is like straight in the air, so this would be his nose, and imagine him laughing. All right, so let's just shade in some of those bottom parts of the feet. The legs a little bit darker here first. There you go. Okay, let's shade those two in there. There you go. That's looking good. Yep. I'm just going to shade this secondary line there too. There's a background to hold him on there so he's not floating. Looks good. All right, as always, thanks for watching this video, and have a great day.